Hello and welcome to Herald TV Evening News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camelo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. The 52nd International Film Festival of India commenced in Goa on Saturday evening. The grand celebration of cinema and artists will not just be an exhibition of Indian films, but cinema from across the globe. The festival will be held over 9 days. The gala opening event took place at Indoor Stadium at Talegaon Plateau. Celebrated film star of yesteryear's Hema Malini and lyricist Prasoon Joshi were honored with the Indian Film Personality of the Year award at the event.
The face of Indian classical dance, Member of Parliament from Mathura, UP, Hema Malini ji.
Firstly, thank you so much for this huge contribution to the cinema. एक बार उस पे जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मैम के लिए. मैम, मैं आपसे I wanted to ask a question. Being a big fan, जब भी मेरे सामने ड्रीम गर्ल आती हैं तो मुझे आपका चेहरा नजर आता है. And I think you have played one of the most iconic characters. If I ask you, आपने जब किरदार निभाए, which is that one most special character you feel that you have played? Yes, which you like.
I like all of them.
वो तो है मैम, बट
अगर सभी यही सोच के करते हैं कि सबसे बेस्ट यही होगा.
क्या बात है.
उसके बावजूद अगर आप पूछेंगे तो मैं लाल पत्थर बताऊंगी, एक चादर मैली सी, देन ऑफ कोर्स सीता गीता, शोले, ऐसा मैं बोलती जाऊंगी.
क्या बात है मैम. इनफैक्ट आप अगर 2 भी बोले उसके आगे के 10 नाम लोगों के मन में अपने आप आ रहे हैं. That's the magic you created. मैम, अगर मैं बात करूं IFFI की, I think the amazing growth, and today was very special seeing 75 creative minds together from across the country. So क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज आप?
ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया काम हो रहा है हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए. इस इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल के दौरान बहुत यंग टैलेंटेड फिल्म मेकर्स को दिया जा रहा है काम, which I appreciate, and then it should continue.
क्या बात है. Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Hema Malini ji. Thank you very much, ma'am, and congrats once again.
आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव और गोवा ट्रेड 60 इस पावन पर्व पर I welcome the 57 International Film Festival. इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे साथ में गोवा के महामहिम राज्यपाल श्री PS श्रीधरन पिल्लई जी, खास इस कार्यक्रम में आए हुए मेरे दोस्त ऊर्जावान हमारे प्रसारण मंत्री श्री अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर जी, सूचना और प्रसारण राज्य मंत्री श्री मुरुगनंदन जी, हमारे यूनियन मिनिस्टर खास गोवा से श्रीपाद जी नाइक, हमारे गोवा के डिप्टी सीएम श्री बाबू आजगावकर जी, हमारे मिनिस्टर दीपक पावस्कर जी, हमारे बाकी सभी एमएलएस यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट, भारत सरकार के सचिव श्री अपूर्व चंद्रा जी, गोवा सरकार के सीएस परिमल राय जी, और इस खास कार्यक्रम के अट्रैक्शन सभी फिल्म स्टार हेमा मालिनी जी, सलमान खान जी, रितेश देशमुख जी, रणवीर सिंह जी, श्रद्धा कपूर जी, करण जौहर जी, ऋषि खन्ना, मनीष पॉल, बाकी ऋतिवत चक्रवर्ती और बाकी सभी, मैं सभी के नाम लूँगा तो आई थिंक दे आर ऑल टुगेदर 75 पीपल्स द अनुराग जी हैव इनवाइटेड you. Welcome for one and all in the state of Goa for the 52nd EFE. I welcome international juries and international guests also for this function. आज इस अवसर पर मैं याद करता हूँ the ex-defense minister and ex-chief minister of the state of Goa, Sri Manohar Parrikar. जिन्होंने ही 2004 में इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल फर्स्ट टाइम गोवा में इनवाइट किया, और तभी की प्रसारण मंत्री स्वर्गीय सुषमा स्वराज जी, उन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे आयोजन करने का मौका गोवा को दिया। तभी से लेके आज तक लास्ट फॉर द 17 years वी आर होस्टिंग द इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल। डे बाय डे इसका आयोजन बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हैं, और इसी के वास्ते गोवा इज ऑलरेडी नोन स्टेट फॉर द टूरिस्ट, एंड फॉर द इफी के वास्ते द गोवा इज नोन ग्लोबली, विच इज अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर द गोवन्स। आय से इन कोंकणी, देव तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता, गोंय तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता, गोंयकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता. वी वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. अतिथि देवो भव.
Meanwhile, the political script in Goa was just as interesting. The TMC Goa's bid for the 2022 Assembly elections got a second major boost today since joining of former Chief Minister Luisino Falero, former TVIM MLA Kiran Kandolkar and Kolwale ZP member Kavita Kandolkar joined the TMC on Saturday. Sarpanches, Punches and Kiran supporters from TVIM and Aldona constituencies also joined the TMC, saying he was impressed by the vision of TMC and how Mamata Banerjee fought against PM Modi and Amit Shah in West Bengal elections. Kiran Kandolkar said he walked out of Goa forward since the party is hobnobbing with the Congress for alliance in Aldona constituency, which he wants to contest.
Leader like Rahul Gandhi, वो नरेंद्र मोदीचेर कांयच उलयना. अरविंद केजरीवाल गोंयांत पासोय मारून ट्युरिस्ट गोंय येता वयता, नरेंद्र मोदीचेर कांय उलयना. हे फुकट ते फुकट ह्योच गजाली सांगून वयता. पूण ममता बॅनर्जीन लिटरली फाटले इलेक्शन जे विधानसभेचे वेस्ट बेंगालात जाल्ले आहा, हांगासर लिटरली तिणें एक बायल मनीसान फायट केल्ली आहा, आनी हे सगळ्या देशांतल्या लोकांनी पळयल्ले आहा. स्वताचो सरकार हाडलो, नरेंद्र मोदी असले व्हडले लिडराक, अमित शाह असले व्हडले लिडराक, जे आयज देशाचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर आनी गृहमंत्री आहा, हांकां नाक्या न हाडले म्हणटात पळय, नाकान शिको हाडले म्हणटा पळय, जाल्यार ती ममता दिदीन पळयलें आसतलें. हांव विजयाक लागून पार्टी सोडल्या म्हणना, एलायन्स जावपाक खंय तरी एक कळाव लागता. हांव जॉईंट जाताना गोवा बोर्डाक हांवें विजया कडसून एक एश्युरन्स घेतलेलें की तूं म्हाका दोनूय सिटां जाय. थिवीन म्हाका कोणाची गरज नासली, थिवीन म्हजे लोक म्हज्या वांगडा आहा, पूण आल्दोनाक लागून तूं एलायन्स करतलो ना, आयदर एकलो वयतलो ना वयतलो, हे सगळे क्लियरिटी ना. तो म्हणटा एलायन्स जाता 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 एलायन्स पेपरार जाता. हांव एक काँग्रेसची मिटींग तेज्या वांगडा ना, सो म्हाका हांवूय दुश्काळ्यांत पडलो. काल पी चिदंबरम अल्टरनेट मतदारसंघांत प्रचाराक भोंवता, सो आमी कितें सजमोवपाचें. तेका लागून म्हाका निमणे टायमार जे हांवें हळदणकरान जे उतर दिल्लें आहा की एट एनी कॉस्ट आय विल कॉन्टेस्ट इन आल्दोना, सो म्हाका हळदणकराक फटोवपाचें नासलें न्हू. लास्ट टायमार बॅकआउट जावप वो भानगडी जावप, आनी एका लागून हांव खंय तरी
सूर्याची नवी किरणां गोंयच्या मळबार आज उजवाड दिवपाक लागली. फाल्यांसावन काम सुरुवात जातलें हें तुजें आश्वासन दिता.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee on Saturday came down heavily on the Modi government over the 3 controversial farm laws that were passed by the central government. On Saturday, Goa Congress demanded that Prime Minister Modi should revoke these farm laws and also demanded that all cases registered against the farmers be withdrawn. Moreover, GPCC Working President Reginaldo also rubbished all allegations that Congress party had not raised their voice against coal transportation, double tracking and mining in the Rajya Sabha. He said our late leader Shantaram Naik was on record for raising these issues in the parliament.
He should revoke all the laws. Prime Minister should apologize. In his public Mann Ki Baat, he had said that these farm laws publicly, that the farm laws were right. He said it was in the interest of the country. Now he is backtracked. Chief Minister of Haryana, it was the demand of the farmers which the central government was not looking at. November 2nd, 2020, the Rajasthan Assembly passed 3 bills to negate the centre's farm 3 laws. This bill stopped the application of the centre's farm laws to the state. Again, this was done in the interest of the public or the people of the state at that time. The Congress party was among the oppositions, which led to the decision of boycott of the President's address of the joint sitting of the both houses of Parliament. These parties demanded an independent probe to investigation who had played a role, whether the central government had played a role in the violence that took place at the farmers' tractor rally on Republic Day parade, Republic Day. In fact, the Punjab Assembly in 2021 passed a resolution unanimously unconditional withdrawal farm laws in the interest of the farmers. The Congress party in May 2021 extended support for the Samyukta Kisan Morcha to observe a countrywide ban on May 26. The Congress party has been in full force against the government, central government, for the interest of the farmers. One raise questions regarding coal, double tracking, kincha issues. I want to remind Amge stating Amgelo MP Ashila, late Bab Shantaram Naik. तेगेले फकत ट्रॅक रिकॉर्ड दिला आणि जे पार्टीन एलिगेशन केला ते पार्टीची लीडर ती तेगे सेम बेंचाचेर बसताली आणि एलिगेशन केले तेणे उलयलो इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग ही शुड आस्क हिज ओन लीडर जी क्वेश्चन आहे तेगे रिकॉर्ड आसा बाब शांताराम नायकालो क्वेश्चन्स 1139 इन्शुरन्सेस 117 debates 1020 तेगेले special mentions 82 private bills 56 तेगेले record पडे हा ते record अजून देखून तो कोण पडे allegation केला तेन break केला that he was a best performer, one of the 20 best performers 100 times of India performance तेगेले best performance and जे issue घेतले तेने ते गोयचे पासत. His name was so synonymous as far as Goa is concerned. Now I want to show you 2016, 2017, 2015 he raised double tracking. 2015 he raised shipping. 2016 again Sagarmala. 2017 again coal. All issues पडे हाय ते systematically Rajya Sabha आम्ही raise केले. He is one member who he raised all issues of Goa. जे गोंयकारांक लागताले ते इतलो जोश, इतले with so much of spirit he used to go. And it is wrong on part of anybody to make allegations that Congress party has not taken up the matter as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned. And not only that, Amghay issues in the state assembly, we have been in the forefront of raising issues in 2016, 2017, 2015 on issues of coal, double tracking.
आणि आता तेच कायदे फाटी घेतल्यामुळे परतून तुम्ही अभिनंदन करता. म्हणजे बीजेपी आणि बीजेपी सरकार हे सगळे कन्फ्यूज झाले आसा. हे लोकांक कितें दिवप, कितें बरें आनी कितें वायट हेंका कांयच खबर ना. आमी काँग्रेस पार्टी आमी शेतकऱ्या बरोबर, सामान्य जनते बरोबर सदांच रावल्यात, हेच्या मुखारय रावतले. आमी दोग जाण तरी आमी शेतकऱ्या बरोबर गोंयांत आमी शेतकार खऱ्या अर्थान आमी शेत रोयतात, आमी शेतान वयता. आमकां शेतकऱ्यांचे सुख दुःख कितें हे आमकां दोगांक खबर आसा. आणि त्याच खातीर आमी हे कायदे जे असले ते कशे वायट हे लोकांक पटोवन दिवपाक आणि या सरकाराच्या विरुद्ध गोंयच्या काँग्रेस पार्टीन आमी रस्त्यार आंदोलन केले. बाकी खंयचीच पार्टी या आंदोलनात सहभागी जावंक नासले.
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
NCP MLA Churchill Alemao declared, "I am very much upset with the Congress party with regard to the alliance issue and hence will announce my political decision on November 29th. On Saturday, Churchill alleged that the stubbornness to make Gandhi family members as PM has led to splitting of Congress party in the country."
तू एनसीपी सोडटलो, एनसीपी सोडपाची तयारी.
हांव कांय सांगूंक शकना तुका, हालगीच येतो तो. पण हांव समज 29 हांव डिसिजन घेतलो. हांव तुका कांय सांगूंक शकना कितें घेतलो तो. बरें हांव अलायन्स करतलो, कोणा बरो येतलो कितें सांगूंक शकना. पण हांव घेतलो डिसिजन. कित्याक हांव आतां कोणा रावना.
की असे रुमर्स जाले की चर्चिल वयता म्हणून सोडून.
रुमर्स जाता न्ही ब्रदर. रुमर्स कित्याक हांव, पण हांव तुका 29 हांव 100% डिसिजन घेता.
अलायन्सा तुमच्या अजून फायनल कांय जावं ना.
अरे 8 म्हयने जाले. गणेश हांव हाडल्यान वताय गेले, दिवाळी हाडल्यान वताय गेले. आज आपयल्लो, आजी येयलो न्हय. कितें हेळ तो ते काँग्रेस कितें समता ते वळे. अरे हो गिरीश म्हणटा ती वळी गिरीश मरे, हो गिरीश पळया तेका ती खाली मारपाची काल पळय साधनान सांगलें मरे कितें ती. सो आनी कितें सांगपाक तुका.
ना हेजे खातीर तूं भायर सरपाक सोदता काय कितें?
कोण पारे
काँग्रेस सारकें ना
एनसीपींतल्यान हांव भायर सरप सांगलें ना कोणाच्या खातीर. हांवें सांगलें ना तुका कोणाच्या खातीर हांव भायर सरप म्हणून.
अजूनही अलायन्स अजूनही जालें ना.
हांव कोणाक दिसना, हांवें तुका 100 फावट सांगलां. इन पॉलिटिक्स नो फ्रेंड्स नो एनिमी हो स्लोगन चर्चिल अलेमान 89 दिल्लो. हांव तेच सांगप कितें
ना कसली म्हूण घेतलो. 29 तारीख कितें आयली.
हांव घेता, हांव डिसिजन घेता कितें म्हणजे हांवें खंयच्या वचपाचें.
ओके एनसीपी सोडपाक सोदता.
अरे हांव कांय सांगूंक शकना तुका. हांव खंयच्या वचपाचें सांगत मरे हांव.
तेजेर तुजे फिलीप म्हणटालो की अलायन्साचे ऑलमोस्ट फायनलायज जालें म्हणून.
तो जाण रे, तो कोण रे, तो इलेक्ट जाल्ला मरे. तो आनी कितें जालो म्हणटा तो कोण म्हाका सांगपाक. म्हगे लिडर हांव तो सांगता जालो ना म्हणून अजून. म्हगे लिडर म्हटल्यार शरद पवार आनी बोवाला पण आमगेलो प्रफुल्ल पटेल. तो कोण रे.
आनी अलायन्सान जाल्यार तूं सोडटलो.
कोण
तूं एनसीपी सोडटले.
अरे हांव तुका सांगता तुका 29 घडयलें हांव कितें करतलें.
बरें शरद पवारा कडेन बी तुमगेली उलोवणी जाली
कितले बाय शरद पवार म्हळ्यार जातलें म्हळ्यार जातलें. आतां मग खासदार जावन गेले लोक माडो काडो आनी कमी जातलें.
अजूनही जायना.
Former Congress North Goa General Secretary Shankar Fatte lashed out at GPCC President Girish Chodankar, saying disinvestment of Congress has started. By election end, Girish will be the richest politician, he alleged. The ruling BJP is totally shaken with arrival of TMC in Goa, he added. Fatte joined TMC on Saturday with 10 members, which consist of the entire Porvorim bloc of the Congress. TMC National Vice President Luisino Falero said TMC in Goa had made great strides and described Fatte as a fearless fighter. The primary objective of TMC is to give good governance and credible change to Goa, Falero said.
A time came when the disinvestment of the Congress have started. So there is a person, a leadership which is installed in Goa, simply which doesn't want to form the government, doesn't want to win the elections, and they are in a process of disinvestment that even Modi will be ashamed of. I will tell you one thing. After the conclusion of these elections in Goa, and even before the counting will start, Girish Chodankar will be the richest politician of Goa. Isn't this corruption? So Goa needed a new platform which could take on this Bharatiya Janata Party government, and luckily we see that Mamata Didi's Trinamool Congress arrived in Goa, and on the arrival the ruling was rattled, totally shaken.
Very pleased to announce that Shankar Fatte, who was a member of the legal cell of the Congress, was block president of the Congress, and also was general secretary of the North Goa unit, is joining us with 10 of his colleagues. With this, we are, going further and further into the grassroots level in Goa.
TMC is not just a political party; it is a movement. एक चळवळ movement, and a movement, first of all, to give a good governance to the people of the state. So that will be our primary objective. People are suffering, people are in difficulties. Goa is going backward instead of going ahead. In all spheres, whether it's economic meltdown, whether it is everywhere, and people are asking for a change, a credible change, an immediate change.
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Whoever wins Goa wins India. We won Goa in 2007, we won India in 2009. We lost Goa in 2012, we lost India in 2014. We will win Goa in 2022 and start our bid to win India in 2024 from here. AICC election in charge for Goa, P. Chidambaram, said at a rally in the port town. The BJP government does not fear democracy, does not fear parliament, and the only thing that the BJP fears is defeat. We cannot mend this government, so we must end this government, Chidambaram added. He also said that people are fed up and troubled over the inflation, 3 linear projects, unemployment, undemocratic and arrogant functioning of the BJP government in Goa.
Goa has many problems. The biggest is unemployment. 40,000 Goans, talented Goans, migrate out of Goa every year. We have the problem of the coal hub, the 3 linear projects, the problems of fishermen, the problem of mining, the problem of unemployment, the problem of women's safety on the streets of Goa and the beaches of Goa. This government will not mend its ways. We cannot make this government mend themselves. We have to therefore end the government of Goa in February, and I ask you to work tirelessly, zealously, unitedly, with the confidence that we will ultimately win Goa. Remember, whoever wins Goa wins India. We won Goa in 2007, we won India in 2009. We lost Goa in 2012, we lost India in 2014. We will win Goa in 2022 and we will win India in 2024. Thank you very much.
कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी दोन्ही इलेक्शना पयलीं जाल्यार दोन्ही इलेक्शनाचे रिजल्ट आशिल्ले ते मिलिंदाच्या अगेन्स्ट आशिल्ले. क्लियर दोन्ही इलेक्शन. कारण तो जो मदीं कोणाकूय दवरता मतां फोडपाक आनी थंय तो 2 इलेक्शनाक सक्सेसफूल जाल्लो आशिल्लो. तसो पळयलो जाल्यार तसो मॅन्डेट मार्मागोवाच्या मतदारसंघान मिलिंदाक केन्नाच दिलो ना. कारण मिलिंद म्हणजे तो सामको करप्ट आनी रिवेंजफूल पॉलिटिशियन. लोकांक तेणें काबार केल्ले आसा, लोकांचे वोटींग रायट तेणें डिस्ट्रॉय केल्ले आसा आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान तो डिवायड करून जिखपाक सोदता. आतां सुद्दां तो कॅन्डिडेट TMCक दिवपाक सोदता. म्हणजे तांकां खबर आसा BJP कॅनॉट डिफीट काँग्रेस आनी इन मार्मागोवा BJP कॅनॉट डिफीट काँग्रेस. आय एम रिपिटींग. लास्ट टायम आम आदमी पार्टीच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक तेणें पर्रीकरा कडेन दिलो आनी पर्रीकराक सांगून तेणें आम आदमीचो कॅन्डिडेट घातलो आनी त्या कॅन्डिडेटान 240 मतां घेतली. 246 246 मतां घेतली आनी समकल 140 मतांनी पडलो. तेजे पयलीं इलेक्शनाकूय तेंच जालें. म्हणजे एक मॅन्डेट सारको क्लियर आसा लोकां भितर की ह्या मतदारसंघात सगळे लोक युनायटेड जावन फक्त काँग्रेसीक मारतले.
हॅपी टुडे कित्याक एक जो आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कितले दीस जाले आमी मोमेंटम चालूच आसलेलो आमचो. सो डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनींग फाटल्या दिसांनी हांवें म्हाका दिसता फूल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो आमचो एक रावंड जाल्लो डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनींग करून. आनी आयज परत ह्या निमतान म्हारगाय जी वाडलेली आसा त्या निमतान आयज आमचो जो देशाचो लिडर आसा जो एक्स आमचो फायनान्स आनी होम मिनिस्टर कित्याक ताका जी नॉलेज आसा जेन्ना आमचो काँग्रेसीचो सरकार आसलेलो तेन्ना बरोबर हो फायनान्स मिनिस्टरान बरोबर हँडल केलेले. बट आयज हो BJP गव्हर्मेंट टोटल फेल जाल्लो आसा हे म्हारगाई हँडल करपाक लागलेले. तेन्ना तुमी पयला आसतले BJPचे कशे लोक रस्त्यार येवन बॉब मारताले. 1 4 आने 1 8 आने सुद्दां जर पेट्रोलाचेर वाडलेले जाल्यार आयज आमी पळयता आयज पेट्रोलाचो रेट खंय पावलेलो आसा. अशें केन्नाच ह्या देशान जाल्लेलें नासलें कित्याक आयज 100च्या वयर 115 110 अशे पर लिटर पेट्रोल आनी डिझल जाल्लेले आसा. सो आयज जी म्हारगाई आसा गॅस सिलिंडर तेन्ना एक 5 रुपया वाडलो 2 रुपया वाडले जाल्यार केदे व्हडले इश्यू करताले. आयज सिलिंडर खंय पावलेलो आसा 1000चेर तेकलेलो आसा. सो आयज जी म्हारगाई आसा हेजे लोकांक अवेरनेस करपाक लागून आयज मुद्दाम पी चिदंबरम आयज आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन येयलो. स्वता आमचे सगळे कार्यकर्त्याक घेवन आमच्या वांगडा तो भोंवलो पर्सनली लोकांच्या दारांनी आख्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सड्या भागांत तो भोंवलो. 3 वॉर्डांनी तेणें रावंड मारलो लोकांक मेळ्ळो तो उलयलो. सो एक हो बरो सिग्नल आयज आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन गेल्लो.
Kasauli Sarpanch Pawan Saldana said that Kasauli Market Complex project, which was proposed by former BJP minister late Mathani Saldana, is now in cold storage. Pawan said that present MLA Alina Saldana too followed it up, but due to the unavailability of the land, the project never took off. Such big a project with good facilities is needed, but government agencies such as GSIDC and other big agencies must take up this work since it needs huge funds, which the panchayat don't have.
आमचे मिनिस्टर जालो करताली ताणें आमकां प्लान धाडलो की व्हडलो फीश मार्केट कम वेजिटेबल मार्केट कम आयस नुस्त्या बी हें करपाक. सो दॅट प्रपोजल वॉज देर. इट वॉज अ बीग प्रोजेक्ट पूण तो हें जावना बिकॉज he died in that project. Then later on Alina Saldana became the MLA. She also sent that project to us, show the plan. But did not materialize till now because it is a big project. It can be built only by GSIDC or some other government concern. But Panchayat has no such a huge fund in crores of rupees to come with such a complex.
बाय तो फॅसिलिटी ना न्हू आहा म्हळ्यार आज सद्या आहा ती बरी आहा चोया मुखार मार्केट कार्ट म्हणटाले कितें कोताय तें खबर ना
तुमकां टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटी
ना पयलीं सद्या मार्केटान एक देखून वॉशरूम ना ह्यो बायलो मनशां येताय कोणाकूय इमर्जन्सी पडटा वॉशरूम ना थिंग वचपाक कॉम्प्लेक्सान गेले जाल्यार थिंग धाडायताय म्हळ्यार एक वॉशरूम आमकां हिंगा मार्केटान कंपल्सरी बायल मनशे
मेन रिजन म्हणल्यार हिंगा टॉयलेट आनी बाथरूम्स ना म्हळ्यार कितें आमच्या चेड्यांनी कितें जाता खंय वचून करपाक जाता म्हळ्यार कितें मेन म्हळ्यार प्रॉब्लम लेडीजांक टॉयलेट ना टॉयलेट बाथरूम ना मेन तेमी कितें करपाचें मेन बाजार म्हळ्यार मेन टॉयलेटा बाथरूम आसपा जाय आनी सेकेंड रिजन म्हळ्यार हिंगा फिश मार्केट आसा फिश मार्केट म्हळ्यार कितें फिश मार्केट रेडी करून आसा म्हळ्यार कितें हिंगा सारकी उदकाची फॅसिलिटी ना आनी लोकांक कितें भायले लोकांक मेन टॉयलेट बाथरूम येयले मेन जाता आमकां कस्टमर जाता भायले येता आनी टॉयलेट बाथरूम ना खंय आसा मागीर कितें सांगपाचें तांकां खंय धाडपाचें हिंगा व्हडले कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा सगळे बाजार आसा म्हळ्यार कांय ना फॅसिलिटीज तेंच मेन प्रॉब्लम आनी म्हजें कितें शॉप आसा शॉपान कितें मेन हिंगा नोड आसा नोडांत उदक येना सारके फॅसिलिटी ना लोकांक
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Feast of Father Agnello was celebrated at Pilar with religious fervor. Like every year, thousands of devotees attended the various masses. Masses began from 5:30 a.m. and went on till 11:30 a.m. In the evening, the masses were held at 4 p.m. and 5:15 p.m. All the masses were in Konkani except the 5:15 p.m. mass, which was in English. The traditional fair was also part of the celebrations. Father Agnello has been declared blessed and is awaiting canonization as a saint, for which thousands of Goans are praying. He was born on 21st January 1869 in Anjuna and died on 20th November 1927. If he is declared a saint, he will be the second Goan saint after Saint Joseph was.
बापाची आणि पुताची आणि पवित्र आत्म्याचे नावी आमेन. आमच्या सोम्या येशू ख्रिस्ताची कृपा बापाचो मोग आणि पवित्र आत्म्याची शांती तुमचे सोबे आसूं. देवाच्या उतराच्या उजवाडान ओत्मीक तयारी केल्या उपरांत व्हडे खुशालकायेच्या आनी भोक्तीच्या भावनांनी आयज आमी मान्यवंत पाद आग्नेलाच्या 94वें नवोद आनी 4थें पुण्यतिथीचें वरोस 94th डेथ एनिवर्सरी आमी समोरुंता.
And now we end this bulletin with the cartoon of the day. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please do follow us at O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.